Up for sale, 1990 Nissan 300zx twin turbo. I'm gonna walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 90 Nissan 300zx twin turbo, T-top, 62,000 miles, 2-owner with original paperwork. Of course, I'm gonna go around it, tell everything I do know about it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So of course we'll start her in the front as always. And I've never had one before, so this is a whole new experience for me. 4-wheel steering, twin turbo. I mean, this is stuff I never get to talk about on the antiques. I love the aftermarket wheel choice, and I'm pretty sure the Nissan calipers are aftermarket, and I really like how they got the Nissan logo sticking through the rim. T-top car, nicely optioned. I have the window sticker, original bill of sale from the selling dealer, the books, some magazines on it, and a receipt for rust proofing when it was new. So again, the underneath, outstanding. Zero rust on the car, zero rust underneath the car. Runs and drives like day one. Anyway, let's go to the hood first, and you could just see here. Perfect fitment. It has a clean Carfax, no accidents. You can see like a little mark that was touched up there. And then there's like another little guy right there. A couple little blemishes. Again, you did drive it. It is 1990, 35 years old. Unbelievable, actually. And it has 4-wheel steering from the factory, so the rear wheels actually, you know, turn a few degrees when you're turning the front wheels, which is my Silverado, the electric one, actually does that too. So well ahead of its time. Let's look here first. Nice fitment there. Nice fitment here. Nice fitment there as well. But like here, when you go down here, a little touch up right there. Is missing the Nissan logo. I just noticed that actually. A little mark right there. And then a couple little ones in that lower, with the built-in rust preventative on there. And you can see a couple other ones that I'm not pointing out. No cracks in the glass. The T-top fitment is the way you want to see it. And I'm just trying to think like what I would point out on this kind of a car, maybe weak points, something like that to key in on, but I don't know. So we're just gonna go through this pretty thoroughly, like I normally do. The interior looks like brand new, really. I have 2 sets of keys, which I will show you right now. And this one actually still has the original selling dealer tag on there. Kind of cool. Platinum mist. Give me a second here. Let me get this hood stuck up. Beautiful in the engine. All your original tags are still under here. The hood insulation is mint. Take our time here. And the engine. Twin turbo V6. The VIN tag, other tags in here that are original. I like seeing a lot of that stuff. The battery is fairly recent. Automatic with overdrive, of course. So let me go ahead and I'll fire it up. They put a Clarion radio, and these are aftermarket gauges, I believe. So a couple tasteful things. Because it doesn't have a volt gauge from the factory, so just an extra reading. Vacuum boost gauge, interesting. on the driver's side of the car as always. See right here how nice this fitment is on the door to the fender. You see a little, like a little scuff here right in the paint. This lower panel looks good. I mean, a couple little, touch-ups from use, or you see that actually I think is a little bit of buffing compound stuck in the grooves of this. And then a couple little, baby marks on it from the years. Door lines up nice to the corridor again. And then really nice over the back. Oh, and then there's one that was touched up here, a little scratch. And you could make out another little scuff right here that kind of wraps around the back bumper. But down here is mint. This is all nice. I showed you that. In through here is all nice. In through there. In through the front. And then the back window. Beautiful. Beautiful finish in there, and through here and up. Original tag. Seat looks like brand new. The controls, there's no wear on any of the writing. There's the 300zx floor mats in it still that look like brand new. From this angle, I mean, you can see at the dash, the steering wheel, the console, shifter, all this looks like new. I mean, there's no cracks in the dash, no fading, no wear on the controls, like I said. 62,066. See how nice it is up there. Little mark right there on the spoiler, but then nothing else in here. Twin turbo there. Got AMS exhaust tips, so I think those were changed out then. But like, this whole area is excellent. This section's super nice. I mean, right, okay, one little mark right there. Here, really nice as well. In through here. No, I figure they installed these in the back. I don't think that's stock. But all the plastic pieces in here, all this, the extra speakers in through here is mint. The carpet's not faded back here. It's got the original T-top sleeves as well. Under here is outstanding. And then got Road and Trek magazine, Do It Right magazine, original books. Your original receipt from the selling dealer was sold new at Tomwood Pontiac in Indiana. 34,000 new, which I think is kind of crazy actually. Carfax. This is the receipt for the rust proofing. And then your original window sticker. It has an electronic equipment package with automatic temperature control, power driver's seat, heated outside rear view mirrors, illuminated entry and courtesy light fade out. So that was, I guess, the only option. Everything else was standard. It is platinum mist. Oh, total price $36,000. That's just crazy to me, especially in 1990. Yeah. Continuing on. Just sit here. Let me see. I think this is a little bit of, yeah, it's a little buffing compound right in through there. But there's one little mark. Another little guy right there. Two other little small ones. So it reminds me very, very much of the 99 Corvette that I have with 20,000 miles on it. But I would say the condition on this in general is much, much nicer. 9 years older and 40,000 less miles. You can see right there. You see those two little indents right there, and then a couple other little marks. But again, here's the glass. But it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you'd like to go ahead and check it out. 1990 Nissan 300zx, twin turbo, T-top, 2 owners, 62,000 miles. And again, I gotta say, I love the wheels with the calipers and the rotors. I looked at a few online. Because it seems a lot of them put aftermarket wheels on, and a lot of them put some ugly wheels on their cars. And the original owner made a great choice, I gotta say. But anyway, you can see a couple little marks right there. I think this is a bonnet. Is it? Might have a bonnet on the front. My apologies, my phone just shut off. It's 20 degrees out. I forgot where I was. I was talking about the wheels. A lot of them put some ugly wheels on it, and I really like what the original owner did with the wheels. But anyway, wrapping up this section here, I do notice just a little right on that edge. Little guy right there. But thank you for watching, and we're gonna fire it up now, drive it, and then get in for the driving. Thank you. seatbelt on
I
for this
have
one.
to. I'm going to drive it in touring mode, and then I'll put it in sport mode. You could be 6'8" driving this car. There's so much leg room in here. The handling with those rear steering and twin turbos.
Sometimes I just can't take you seriously.
That's still touring. I'm afraid to hit the other button. Thanks, garbage. Okay, we like this little wide open area. One of these days they're gonna get us.
I know they are.
Okay. Let the gears come in, the sport gears. Faster than your electric truck.
Okay, come
I
on.
think so.
Take it easy.
I'm more afraid of this.
We'll go drag down the road. I'll go in my truck, you go in yours.
Wow.